Okay, so today we're going to be looking at a poem, sort of these four introductions: Romanticism, Realism, Capitalism, Socialism. We're going to be looking at evidence in these pieces to sort of show us where you might see these, right? And instead of writing responses as we've had you do over the last couple of weeks, what we're going to be looking at today is having you highlight where those differences might be, right? So I want you to highlight evidence of romanticism here. So you'll see English mountains green, pleasant pastures seen. I want you to look at this, right, and sort of see where is nature being elicited here. For Dickens, with the realist approach, you're really looking sort of where is the sort of ordinary life of these people being illustrated. So again, highlight that and tell us where you see that being indicative. And then in a couple of sentences, 2 or 3 sentences, that's really it. I want you to really just put some bullet points here about what is the difference between Blake's romanticism and Dickens' realism. And then we get to capitalism versus socialism. Where do you see evidence of capitalism here in Adam Smith's first piece of writing? Highlight it again, and then look at the Communist Manifesto, highlight it again. Very easy stuff. And then once again, jot down a couple of ideas. The final thing is I want you to look at compare Blake versus Dickens or Smith versus Marx, and I want you to talk about why they might be disagreeing with one another. Where are those problems emerging and those tensions between the two groups? So I think this is a pretty easy and pretty fair assignment. Good luck with it, guys.